Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and the brand. If you're new to our community, make sure you subscribe, follow us on all social media platforms, hit the link in the description to get inside of our digital course and download our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. Today is February 13, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. The golden rule is building networks is key to achieving total freedom. Today's title is Unlocking Passive Income, the importance of building an email list for marketing ads. In the digital age, the landscape of business and marketing has undergone a significant transformation. With the rise of social media, search engines, and other digital platforms, businesses now have unprecedented opportunities to reach their target audience with precision and efficiency. Among the plethora of marketing strategies available, building an email list for marketing ads stands out as a powerful and essential tactic for unlocking passive income streams. In this talk, we will explore the importance of building an email list for marketing ads and how it can lead to sustainable passive income generation. Number one, direct communication channel. One of the primary reasons why building an email list is crucial is that it provides a direct and personalized communication channel with our audience. Unlike social media algorithms that can limit our reach or change without notice, email allows us to connect directly with our subscribers' inboxes. By capturing the contact information of potential customers through marketing ads, we can nurture relationships, provide valuable content, and promote our products or services consistently. Number two, targeted audience engagement. When users opt in to our email list through marketing ads, they are experiencing interest in our brand and offerings. This means that our email subscribers are already primed for engagement and more likely to be receptive to our messages. By segmenting our email list based on demographics, behaviors, or interests, we can deliver tailored content and offer that resonate with the specific segments of our audience. Right, and give the offers to the right group of people. So we don't want to be selling to everybody necessarily unless our product solves everybody's problem. We need to figure out who our client is, and then all of our ads should be targeted to that group of people, to that individual. This targeted approach leads to higher engagement rates, increased conversions, and ultimately greater passive income potential. Number three, ownership and control. Unlike social media followers or website visitors, our email list is a digital asset that we own and control. Social media platforms and search engines can change their algorithms or policies at any time, affecting our organic reach and visibility. However, with an email list, we have full ownership and control over our subscriber base. This means that we can communicate with our audience on our terms without being at the mercy of third-party platforms. Number four, automation and scalability. One of the key advantages of building an email list for passive income generation is the ability to automate our marketing efforts and scale our business efficiently. With email marketing automation tools, we can set up automated email sequences, drip campaigns, and personalized workflows that deliver relevant content and offers to our subscribers at the right time. This allows us to nurture leads, convert prospects into customers, and generate passive income on autopilot. Number five, monetization opportunities. Once we have built a sizable and engaged email list, there are numerous opportunities to monetize our audience and generate passive income. We can promote affiliate products, sell digital products or courses, offer membership subscriptions, or even launch our own products or services. With a responsive and engaged email list, we can generate recurrent revenue streams and passive income over time, providing financial stability and freedom. In conclusion, building an email list for marketing ads is a strategic investment that can lead to sustainable passive income generation for our business. By establishing a direct communication channel with our audience, engaging with targeted content, and leveraging automation and scalability, we can nurture relationships, drive conversions, and monetize our audience effectively. Whether we are a entrepreneur that is starting out from scratch with one product, one website, right? No employees, just an email campaign with a product that we grab from ClickBank. It doesn't matter, right? This can be for anyone, including a digital marketer. You can also use all of this to increase your bottom line, your cash flow, therefore your total freedom will increase. Prioritizing the growth of our email list is essential for unlocking long-term passive income opportunities in the ever-evolving digital landscape. I appreciate you listening to another extraordinary talk on money, business, and investing. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them below in the comment section. Like, comment, and share. And take massive action. Click the link in the description. Get inside of our digital course. Download the ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, so that you can start building the asset column. That's what it boils down to. Focus on that asset column rather than anything else. Rather than income from a job, focus on that asset column. And the income from a job, if you have any money saved, is supposed to be put into your self-development, financial education, leadership, right? Seminars, webinars that you can attend that will improve and will add value into who you are as an entrepreneur and businessman, right? Or businesswoman. Anyway, I'll talk to you next time. Thank you for being part of Master Investor and keeping it going around the other mediums that we have content available. When we share, when we comment, when we engage in a dialogue of business, money, and investing, then we can help other people also get comfortable talking about money, because if we truly want to create total freedom, we have to be talking about money. That's what we do here every day at Master Investor, is the authentic brand of money, business, and investing, bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.